He's the boss. He's the assistant.
I'm taking a 2-month leave starting on Monday. Pong, siya ang boss mo habang wala ako. You won't fail me, right?
Of course not, sir.
Where's your boss?
Oh, he's not here.
This is very important meeting. I don't want to talk with an assistant, okay?
Good morning.
Sir Pong! You made it!
He's your boss?
I'm the boss.
Yes! You're my boss. He's the boss.
I'm the boss.
Walang boss na naka-Hawaiian shirt, oversized pants at maduming sapatos.
Baka meron naman, ma'am.
Saan? Patayin ko.
Who's the boss?
Let me remind you, ako pa rin ang boss at assistant ka lang, kaya huwag kang mag-walk out sa akin.
Di ba ikaw humingi ng pabor sa akin ito? Ako ang boss, di ba? Kaya ikaw ang susunod sa akin. May meeting pa ba ako ngayong araw?
I will check it, sir. Pahiram po ng planner.
Oh my gosh.
Star Cinema proudly presents the sweetest summer ever with the official kilig couple of the season, Tony Gonzaga and Coco Martin. Sa kanilang pag-pretend, maging tunay na pag-ibig kaya in the end, you're my boss.
In fairness, ha? Sir Pong.
Ilabas ang helicopter. Mamamasyal ako.
It's helicopter.
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 Jeep na lang.
Directed by Antoinette Hadaune. April 4 in cinemas nationwide.